Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Throw Dog Crap at Your Neighbor." Ugh.
On May 15th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a home after a man reported that his neighbor was throwing dog poop at him.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, it's Stanton.
Doug Maddox, how you doing?
Good. And Mr. Ward here,
Okay.
as high as can be. He came home, his music's real loud. We're having a pool party, 8-year-old Little League party here.
Yeah.
He pulls into my grass, super loud music, super bizarre. We didn't have a kid here. Playing real loud, then he backs up. We have no beef, right. Backs up, he's at music, and he comes over, he's acting strange, you don't know his name. We then watch him, he goes to all the cars here and tries to open everybody's car door.
Okay.
Talking out of his mind. He then keeps coming up to our fence and talking, like on our property talking. He then walks up, has a huge bag of dog poop, chunks it right in the middle of where everybody are. Yeah, I mean, like, just huge thing of shit. Like, just splatters all over
he had
everybody.
2 bags. One didn't make it, and then one went over the fence. And he's just like, and he was shooting birds at us too.
Back and forth, shooting birds.
And he keeps walking up and down to everybody's car here. He comes in our yard. I can tell you this is not the first time I've noticed behavior like this. One of my other neighbors noticed he was really high one time, and he had a gun in his lap one time when he saw him driving. So obviously I was hoping he just went inside and slept it off, but when he threw the dog shit, and then when he he keeps coming back, like, don't feel like we have a choice for our safety.
Right. So his name's Chris Ward?
Chris Ward. But, then he'd go back, and then he'd come back again and just want some attention from somebody, and then he'd go back, and then he walked up, like I said, and we saw him go and started in these cars. He'd walk up and pull the door handles on the cars. And so that when he did that, that's when I walked up to him and I said, "Hey, Chris, like, you can't be doing that. You just need to go inside."
Right.
There was no, like, tossing it like that. I mean, it's like, full toss, and it's a gigantic bag. Like,
Anybody want to prosecute? Meaning go to court?
do I have to decide right now, or can you talk to him first?
I'll talk to him.
I was going to arrest his ass.
I mean, physically. Well, so you came with my trailer, I think, didn't you? So, and I'm an attorney. I do criminal defense, and so, I mean, here's the deal: is like, I gotta wake up and he's my neighbor the next day.
I know that. That's why I have to ask.
I think it was an assault that he committed on. I mean, I certainly think he assaulted me and the people that are
It's a
here.
simple assault on everybody, yeah.
And I absolutely think that.
Let me go see if we can make contact with him. And
We just want to have our Little League party is what we want to do.
I understand.
Sheriff's office, Mr. Ward, come to the door.
I thought about it. I do want to press charges.
Yeah, we got to get him to the door now. So he's not answering.
Is that the bag of poop right there on the fence?
Yeah, that was the first one he threw, and the second one landed right by that post that he's leaning on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not cool at all. So he's not the ex-ACCPD Chris Ward?
No.
Okay.
He owns that has a janitorial company.
Yeah, dude. I mean, if you're changing words and stuff, but you throw dog poop into a kid's party like that,
Yeah.
I think you need to go.
Oh, yeah, simple assault. Oh, there's a light on down here. There's a light on down here. Hey, man. Mr. Ward?
Yep.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Nada. What's up?
We have some neighbors saying that you're throwing poop over there and having an
Well, they
issue.
shitting in my yard.
Who's doing what now?
They were shitting in my yard.
You're under arrest. Turn around, put your hands behind
No.
your back.
I mean, what the fuck?
You're under arrest. Give me your goddamn hands.
Oh, for what?
Simple assault.
Get his dumb ass together. Get him together.
For what?
Get him, boys.
Hold on. I got this one.
For? What's for?
Simple assault.
I ain't saw the shit.
Hey, you need to relax.
I'm
You
not
understand?
relaxing shit. You ain't. I mean, goddamn.
He ain't moving this on. Go there.
What am I under arrest for?
Simple assault.
I ain't assaulted shit.
Yeah,
I'm not assaulting.
Okay.
No, I ain't assaulted nothing.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I ain't putting shit behind nothing. Because I ain't assaulted nothing.
Watch out.
What have I assaulted? What have I assaulted? Tell me! What have I assaulted?
Oh, they bring him to open ground.
Yeah.
Dump him.
What have I assaulted? What have I assaulted? No, nigga, no, yeah.
Yep.
You got me, yeah. Yeah.
On the ground.
Yeah. I ain't on the shit, because I ain't assaulted shit.
On the fucking ground.
Yeah. Underground. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't got shit, motherfucker. What I got? What I got? What I got? What I got? What I got?
Yeah, get them together.
Give me this hand.
I ain't giving you shit, cause I ain't
Where the
done
taser
shit.
at?
I ain't done shit. I ain't done nothing.
See, hold on. See, I could tell the one right here, and not the one that's grabbing her right here, but the one that's trying to get his hand out. See, he look a little old timer, so you know he like to go hands on for real, for real. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. But at a time like this, honestly, I think they need to be tasering his ass, get his ass together. You know what I'm saying? Get him some electrolytes in him. You know?
Y'all came to motherfucking house. No. That shit. Squeeze, nigga. Squeeze. 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 You don't cover, motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah. Let's get bowdy. Let's get bowdy. Let's get bowdy. Let's get bowdy. Let's get bowdy.
I got him. Go ahead.
Oh, I ain't resisted. I ain't done shit.
You ain't resisted.
No.
He in good shape for an
You
older
weren't gonna do
guy.
anything. That's resisting.
I ain't do shit.
Yeah, you did.
Y'all tried to manhandle me.
Nobody manhandled you. He told you to turn
Bullshit.
around and you said no.
Bullshit.
Shut up.
Look at the video.
Okay, I got a video on my body.
Oh, bullshit.
Yep.
Bullshit.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, go in here.
Let's go. Yeah. Two of you. Two of you. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that one right there, he in good shape anyway.
Hold on, Johnny. Hold on.
Throw his dumb ass in there. Get him right.
Two of you motherfuckers. Yeah, yeah. Get it right.
All right, hold on. We can't leave him like that. Not on the stomach.
Hey, sit up, bud.
Can I sit up?
Yes, sir. All right, listen, it's over. It's over.
Can you loosen my hand?
I will. You chill out.
Yeah, chill out.
Turn around. All right. Sit in there, bud.
Okay. Yeah.
You're good.
Dude, he's fucking high as shit. He didn't feel any pressure, man.
142.
I almost broke his arm. How y'all doing? It's a nice doodle you got.
I mean, man, I don't trust you, man. All this shit going on in here.
And fun fact, man, the dog that I've always wanted is either a pit bull lab mix or golden doodle. Man, I really like the mini golden doodles, honestly. Like, you know, I like big dogs, but if I was to get a small dog, like let's say I had a girl or something and she was like big dogs, and I had to get a small dog, a mini doodle, man. They like, yo, they look like little teddy bears, man.
You think I'm finna talk? I mean, but I don't even know what I did. I opened the door and y'all fucking hit me. What the f? Their fucking daddy let their dog, his dog, and other neighbor's dog poop in my fucking yard below where y'all harassed me. And I gladly picked it up with the neighborhood fucking poop bag and gladly delivered it back into their fucking yard. And y'all did that shit in my yard, and I ain't do shit but open the door? Come on, man.
The suspect was charged with simple assault and multiple counts of resisting arrest. A few weeks after this incident, he was arrested again for felony counts of aggravated stalking and burglary and spent 2 months in jail for that arrest. Thanks for watching the video.
This guy is a freaking nut job, dude. Nut job. Stalking? Dude got to stay off them drugs, man. That thing is taking over his life, man. And he owns a business. He got a good business going for himself. Nice looking home, nice neighborhood. But whatever he's on, that's going to take over. That's going to take over. And it's already starting to. He going to end up losing everything, man. Anyway, I think the officers did a great job, man. The only thing, I mean, I would have probably tased him. I ain't going to lie to you. Listen, I'll wrestle a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get a little workout in. You know what I'm saying? But that's it. I'll give you a little bit. You know what I'm saying? A little workout. You know? After that, I'm going to have to get you right. Yeah. Straight like that. You going to learn today. But anyway, man. So I give him 4 out of 5, man. You know what I'm saying? I would have tased him a little sooner. That's the only knock I got against it. But they ain't wrong for just going straight hands on without using a taser. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.